Welcome back to Home Decorny channel, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge trends and timeless inspirations that breathe life into every corner of your home. Today we're diving into a design feature that often gets overlooked, yet it holds the power to completely transform your living room: the modern TV stand. But wait, this isn't just about placing a screen on a shelf. No, the TV stand is now a bold design statement, a stylish fusion of aesthetics, functionality, and personality. So, if you thought your TV wall was just a background element, get ready to see it in a whole new light. Before we begin this design journey, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and join our creative community. Your support helps us continue to bring you fresh, innovative content week after week. Ready? Let's get inspired. The evolution of the TV stand forget the basic consoles of the past. Today's TV stand is a sleek architectural feature that can anchor your entire living room design. Whether you're working with a cozy city apartment or an expansive open concept home, the right TV stand brings both function and style seamlessly. From wall-mounted floating shelves to built-in masterpieces that stretch floor to ceiling, modern TV units are evolving faster than ever. They're no longer just furniture, they're centerpieces. Materials that set the mood. Let's talk texture and tone. Wooden TV stands remain a beloved classic, but now with a twist. Light oak, birch, or ash give off a Scandinavian airy vibe, while darker tones like walnut or mahogany infuse the space. With luxury and warmth, pair that natural wood with contrasting elements: glass panels, brushed brass, or matte black steel. And suddenly, your TV unit becomes a gallery-worthy feature. If minimalism is more your speed, high-gloss laminates and smooth MDF finishes offer clean lines and a futuristic feel, all while being practical and easy to maintain. And for those chasing the ultra-modern aesthetic, think marble cladding, stone backdrops, or even mirrored finishes that bounce light and make your space feel grander than it is. Layouts that make a statement. Now let's talk layout. And here's where creativity shines. Wall-mounted TV stands are perfect for compact living areas. They give the illusion of floating in space, keeping things clean and uncluttered. But for larger rooms, enter the built-in unit. These TV walls often include recessed lighting, open niches, and dramatic floor-to-ceiling shelving that blends tech with artistry. Want flexibility? Modular TV stands let you mix and match components to fit your evolving needs. And here's the twist: some of the most captivating TV walls don't even follow symmetry. Asymmetrical layouts that play with levels and negative space can completely reshape the visual dynamics of a room. Storage meets style. What's a stunning TV stand without smart storage? Modern designs balance open shelving for books, plants, or art, with closed cabinetry to conceal wires, remotes, and tech clutter. Want a sleeker solution? Hidden cable management. Systems and built-in conduits keep things clean without sacrificing access. Imagine pressing a button and watching the TV rise from a hidden compartment. Yes, that's not sci-fi anymore. Color, lighting, and atmosphere. Here's where it gets magical. Neutral palettes, beige, taupe, soft grays. Keep your TV stand subtle and sophisticated. But don't be afraid to go bold. Charcoal, navy blue, or matte black can create jaw-dropping. Contrast, LED backlighting is a game changer. Warm glows create cozy vibes for movie nights, while RGB lighting lets you shift your room's mood at the push of a button. It's ambiance elevated. Design details. That wow, ready for the finishing touches? Think textured wall panels behind the screen, wood slats, geometric tiles, or even suede fabric for an ultra-luxe vibe. Add asymmetrical floating shelves, sculptural decor, and a few lush plants for dimension and life. Want to go futuristic? Smart TV stands now come with touch-controlled cabinets, integrated speakers, and even built-in fireplaces. Yes, you heard that right. Your media wall can now bring the heat in more ways than one. The ultimate tip: personalization. No two living rooms or lifestyles are the same. That's why the best TV stand is the one that's designed with you in mind. Customize the materials, mix bold colors, or keep it classic. Whether you're creating a minimalist media nook or a luxurious entertainment wall, the key is making it yours. And that's a wrap on today's deep dive into 2025's most inspiring TV stand design ideas. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing what sparks your imagination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an episode of Decor Inspiration. From bold design transformations to small space solutions, we've got so much more coming your way. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep designing, and as always, make your home your masterpiece.